Good day, smart investors. Today, I'm directly facing the popular Excel Garden Estate Phase 2, and this is Igbonla Live. This is where things are happening in real estate, and this is where property appreciates in value. So I want to take you to see the estate and see the topography of the land and see what you are buying. This estate is free from government acquisition and it's totally dry land. It's currently selling for 3 million naira for 500 square meter, and we also have 300 square meter available, and that's perimeter fencing and the gatehouse already. Today you can see that it's raining, but I'm standing under the rain to give you this juicy offer. So what are we expecting from Excel Garden Estate Phase 2?
Excel Garden Estate Phase 2 give you instant allocation. Excel Garden Estate Phase 2 give you a proper and well-designed layout. So once you have any land in this estate, you are covered, you don't have any issue. We have 9 meters road within the estate, the earth road, 9 meters, the conduit drainage system in the estate. It's already fenced. You're working in the gatehouse. Even from now, in less than a month or two, you have security already here working. So everything is ready. Excel Garden is the best estate for investment.
So what is the appreciation value of this estate after payment?
It's a 100% return on investment. Once you have any land here with us, you have 100% return on investment because it's appreciating every day. There are a lot of things happening here. This road takes you to Yabatek. It returns you to Yabatek, very close here. And then you have a Lagos Modern College here on my right. So everything here is growing on a very fast rate.
Smart investors, you have heard it all. This is the estate that carry everything. This estate is smart and is for smart investors. You've heard it all. You have every reason to buy this estate. Start saving your money to invest in Excel Garden Estate Phase 2. The high time to buy this estate is now. Give us a call. Thank you.